The express
Vietnam
train
train
arriving on
travel.
track
Is it
4 is
possible?
subject to a slight
Short
delay.
answer,
We
yes.
apologize for the
Train travel in
inconvenience.
Vietnam is absolutely possible, and it's a vibe. If you want the country to unfold outside your window instead of under a plane wing, this is the move. The backbone is the north-south reunification line from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City, about 31 to 35 hours end to end, but you can ride it in shorter legs. From Hanoi, two super practical spurs are Hanoi Lao Cai for Sapa, overnight roughly 7 to 8 hours, and Hanoi Hai Phong for the coast in Cat Ba, about 2 to 3 hours.
Wait, what happened next?
Expect older rolling stock. It's bumpy, noisy, and oddly charming. Go for soft seat by day or soft berth sleepers at night. If you're tall, lower berths give you a little more stretch. Prices vary by class and season. Still good value in 2025. Book through the official railway site or trusted agents and arrive early. Pack a hoodie, snacks, and patience for minor delays. Keep valuables close. Is it luxury? No. Is it memorable? 100%. If you're up for a real adventure, all aboard.